it does not matter where you come from. What matters is where you want to go. Hi, I am Samrat Patnaik, a 26 years age proactive and reliable guy from Kolkata, West Bengal. An upcoming management professional with close to 4 years of experience in addressing business problems and implementing successful resolutions. After completing my graduation from University of Engineering and Management and then my post-graduation from National Power Training Institute, I started my career in strategy and planning space. Working as an associate consultant and then as a consultant in Lume Solar Energy and Gensol Limited has helped me figure out how people build and operate a large company or a product. Back then, I have many questions about who was planning all these businesses and their strategy to develop and run everything. I felt like moving out of my comfort zone and to explore new horizons to learn and improve my career prospects. My journey as a research associate in the IIM Ahmedabad was beautiful. I was in business strategy and policy area, which taught me a lot. Working as an RA was extremely helpful in making my foundation strong in business management and strategy formation. Apart from the research project I was involved with, my stay with IIM Ahmedabad gave me an ample opportunities to grow as a team player and to build my confidence to channel my thoughts in a much better way. I am indeed glad and proud to share that being in that role, I have co-managed large academic and industry projects, one being the Department of Science and Technology funded Global Consortia project to develop peer-to-peer energy trading platform using blockchain, IoT and AI technologies. Also, I have co-published a report on artificial intelligence in the Indian energy ecosystem for the Norwegian Embassy. I felt the need to further enhance my understanding of the functional aspects of management. As it is said, leaders are learners and learners are leaders. Decided on an MBA, I am convinced that Soil Institute of Management's unique position among the top MBA colleges is perfect for my short-term and long-term goals. The customizable curriculum, the flexibility, the internal and external mentoring, and the focus groups would effectively improve my thinking skills. I wanted to build a strong network and meet people with a similar mindset from whom I can learn in my MBA college. And as I wished for, I got the opportunity to meet the best people from diverse fields and work experiences. Presently at Soil Institute of Management, I am serving as the President of the Student Body Council, which allowed me to interact and manage multiple stakeholders at the same time. The council members and I aspire to create a vibrant, diverse and supportive campus environment for all our batchmates. The responsibility also includes ensuring smooth functioning of the student-driven circles like clubs, committees, sports, arts, etc. Furthermore, I am also selected to carry out research associate role with Soil Program Office to enhance my planning and execution skills in a much better way. In the end, I can't agree more that being a part of such dynamic curriculum ensures great personal development scope. Tasks such as managing budgets and running effective meetings develop highly desired qualities such as leadership, multitasking, communication and negotiating. Having to make decisions that may be unpopular with your peers also enhances resilience. I can assure all my batchmates that they have handed the baton to the safe hands, and we will have collaborative efforts to move forward with our objective to make Soil a center of excellence. With gratitude to you all, this is Samrat Patnaik signing off.